Welcome back, guys. We know it's been a minute, but we've had quite a few private commissions recently that they don't always appreciate us broadcasting on social media, so like I said, bear with us. Today's going to be a good one. We've got some motorcycle helmets sent to us from some brothers in France. This one's got a great concept. It stems off the back of the guy surviving quite a nasty motorcycle accident. So we're going to have Heaven on one side, Hell the other side, a few other little pieces in between, like his nickname, his blood type, and a few other little pieces. So it's going to be a great concept. It's going to be really fun to do. So yeah, stay tuned. Well, that seemed to turn out sick. Ready for lacquer. Look how that come out. The lacquer work is absolutely brilliant. Shout out to our boy Matt for our lacquer work. Absolutely kills it. Really brings out the characters, depth in the colours. The heaven and hell theme really looks sick. So yeah, we're going to get the visor on and get it sent back to the French boys. In the meantime, if you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe. Until next time, stay tuned. Peace.